Hey everyone, welcome back to Editing Basics. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to add colors in Picsart. So let's begin. I'll open your Picsart application. So here you can see in this middle part, the plus icon, tap on this. So you can open any of your projects or add any of your photos where you want to add any color. So I'm opening a project. So in order to add color, here on the bottom right, swipe through right. Swipe until you find this draw icon. Tap on this. So as you can see, there are color option. Here tap on color and select the color that you desire. Now tap on the stick button. With the help of this brush, you can easily draw this color. You can even write and even paint with this brush strokes. So this is how you add color in Picsart. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you.